Today, I'm very honored to announce that collaboration with TEAM Wang and Monet. I first chose the picture of the artwork Impression Sunrise because it really gave me a lot of thoughts on something. It gave me a feeling of new hope, and also it gave me like endless opportunities, endless visions. This time is very honored working with Monet, and it's a collaboration between the Chinese culture and the French culture. I chose to replace it with the bund of Shanghai and then have the reflection of France, Paris. Like Shanghai and Paris, probably like the other side of the world. I wanted to do this, the reflection, to show that although sometimes things might be at the other side of the world, but at the same time, it's so far, but yet so close with each other. Yeah, that's what I also wanted to imply. Also in this reflection, when you look at it this way, oh, it's Shanghai, but in the reflection, it's Paris. It also implies like a thought of when you look at certain things this way, hey, but in another perspective, another angle, it can be something. TEAM Wang, Monet, it gave me a few directions to change things up a little bit in my way. For example, the sunrise, that I did a little twist on it, put in according to the TEAM Wang DNA. I changed it in that direction to represent endless and infinite possibilities, no boundary, and infinite hopes. Try to think things outside the box. Not to say not to follow rules, but don't let a lot of stuff lock you down, you know, and let yourself fly. That's also what I wanted to say.